Welcome everyone to day 2. Today we will be discussing about those pillars upon which integral yoga stands upon. The integral yoga rests on several pillars, each representing core aspects of the practice, the approach it has. Hatha yoga for the body, Raj yoga for the mind, Bhakti yoga for the heart, Karma yoga for the action, Jnana yoga for the wisdom, and Purna yoga for overall around completeness. Today we focus on how these pillars support a holistic yoga approach. Hatha yoga enhances physical health and prepares the body for deeper spiritual practices. Raja yoga through meditation cultivates mental discipline and insight. Bhakti yoga nurtures love and devotion, and while Karma yoga emphasizes on selfless service towards others. Jnana yoga encourages philosophical inquiry and wisdom. And finally, Purna yoga integrates all these aspects into a comprehensive practice. By embracing these pillars, practitioner can actually achieve a balanced and integrated growth and sense of development, fostering a deeper sense of unity with your own self. And once you're united with your true self, you are much more closer to God than you could ever think. See you tomorrow. Namaste.